Mav, tally 2, 5 o'clock low. What do we do?
Okay, listen. Just be cool. If they knew who we were, we'd be dead already.
Well, here they come. What's your plan?
Just put your mask on. Remember, we're on the same team. Just wave and smile. Just wave and smile.
What's that signal? What's he saying?
Yeah, no idea. I have no idea what he's saying.
What about that one? Any idea?
No, I've never seen that one either. Shit. His wingman is moving into a weapons envelope. Alright, listen up. When I tell you grab those rings above your head, that's the ejection handle.
Mav, can we outrun these guys?
Not their missiles and guns.
Then it's a dogfight.
An F-14 against 5th-gen fighters?
It's not the plane, it's the pilot. You'd go after him if I wasn't here.
But you are here.
Come on, Mav. Don't think. Just do.
Tell me when you see smoke in the air! Smoke in the air! Smoke in the air! Hang on! Yeah, man! Splash one! Splash one! Here comes another one! Booster flares! No, no, no! Splitting the throttles? Coming around! Give me towed, give me towed. You got him, man, you got him! Taking a shot! What the?
Holy shit! What the fuck was that?
Hang on! We gotta get low! The terrain will confuse his targeting system. Here he comes! Talk to me, Rooster! Where is he? He's still on us! We took a hit! We took a hit! Damn it! Come on, man! Do some of that pilot shit! Brace yourself!
Holy shit!
I got towed! Taking a shot! Damn it! Out of missiles! Switching to guns! Come on, man, come on!
You got him, man!
It's not over yet. One last chance.
You can do this!
Come on, Maverick.
Yes! Splash two! Mav, I got the radio on!
Outstanding. Get us in touch with the boat.
Copy that!
Oh my god.
Where the hell is this guy?
He's on our nose. Damn it! We're out of ammo. Smoke in the air! Rooster flares! That was close! We're out of flares, Mav! Shit, he's already on us! Ah, this is not good! We took another hit! No. We can't take much more of this!
We can't outrun this guy. We got to eject.
What?
We need altitude. Pull the ejection handles the second I tell you.
Mav, wait!
Rooster, there's no other way. Eject! Rooster, pull the handle, eject!
It's not working! Mav!
I'm sorry, guys.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your savior speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts, return your tray tables to their locked and upright positions, and prepare for landing.
Hey, Hangman, you look good.
I am good, Rooster. I'm very good. I'll see you back on deck.